Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm showing you how to add a review widget to your page with the help of JetElements plugin for Elementor. Let's search for the review widget here in the Elements panel and drop it onto a new section. So the first option you see here is the content source. You can either manually input the data right here in the Elementor editor, or you can make the widget to pull out the information from the particular post. And here you'll need to set the ID for the post that you want the widget to pull the data from. Okay, and now I'll show you how to find the ID for that particular post and how to input that information for that post that you want. Now let me head over to the dashboard where I can show you how to find the post ID and how to add the information to be pulled out from the post. Okay, so now let's go to posts, all posts. Let me hover over one post, and then right at the left hand bottom corner I will see that link, and inside that link I'll find post equals and the digits 8 and 7, and 8 and 7, this will be the post ID. Also, if I go to edit this post, here at the top in the address bar I will again see the post equals 8 and 7, which will be the ID that I am looking for. Okay, so now we're in the edit post, then I'll scroll down, and once I have installed the JetReviews plugin, I'll find this window, JetReviews. Here I can set the title, add the review fields, add the value and the maximum value. I can add more if I wish. Then the summary title, the summary text, and the summary legend. Then the JetReview structured data. The structured data is what will be pulled out in Google and will allow Google to rank this review. And then you go ahead and you save all the changes that you have applied. Alright, and now let's type in that ID of the post. And here you go, you see that the widget now pulled out that information from that particular post with this ID that we have typed in before. So these are two ways that you can display the information for your review, but in this video I'll be showing you how to manually input that information. Okay, here you see that you can set the title, which will be the review title, like that, and here you add the fields such as design, quality, performance, etc., and you see that you can go on and add more and more items. Here we go, here is at the summary title and the summary text, which goes right here. Then if you scroll down, you can add the summary legend, which is here. Then structured data, as I have said, it helps Google rank your review. Then field settings. Here you choose whether you want the values to be displayed as points, as percents, or as stars. I'll go with percentage. Here you choose where you want the values themselves to be displayed, above progress bar or inside progress bar, if it's high enough. Alright, but I'll go with above progress bar. And here choose where you want the values to be shown, on the left or on the right. Okay, and here you can add the label suffix. Then the summary settings. Here choose where you want to position your average box. Here you set the width for it, let it be 25, and then you choose how you want the values here to be displayed as stars, percentage, or points. Let's go with stars this time. Okay, now it's time to move on to the style tab. Here you add the color for the title, and set the typography settings. And the alignment. And I want some padding at the top and some at the bottom. Like so. Then there go fields, and you can add border for them. Here change the color of the label and the typography settings. Here go the values, and you can add the background color for them. Here you can change the typography settings as you usually do. Alright, and if you have chosen the stars to be displayed here, you will use these settings for the stars, but we went with the progress bars. So let's work on them. Here you can change the color for the canvas and for the progress inside your progress bar. Here it goes. Now the summary. The summary box is right here, and you choose the color of the title and the typography settings. You can choose the color for the summary content as well and set the background for the summary box. Now there goes the summary average, which is this box where you have displayed the average of the values from your review. Right, so the color of the legend, the color of the value if you have it in numbers, and then if you scroll down you can find the settings for the stars and for the progress bar styles. We went with stars, so now you can change the size of the stars, the color of the empty stars, and the color of the filled stars, like so, and change the background for this box. So now you know how to add a review to your page with the help of Review widget within JetElements plugin for Elementor. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in another tutorial.